Welcome ladies and gentlemen to this lecture, how this course is organized and why. This course is divided into 8 sections. In the first section where we are currently describes the purpose of the course and illustrates how you can get maximum value out of this course. The second section dives deep into the shortcomings of SWOT analysis and explains why it is not the most optimal tool for formulating business strategy. In this section we clearly elaborate the reasons behind the inability of SWOT analysis to address all the key challenges due to which it leaves blind spots in the formulated strategy. We will also address its inability to act as a reliable diagnostic tool. Yes, of course, it lists the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats with a degree of completeness depending on who does the SWOT analysis, but it does not adopt a problem-centric approach due to which the thought process can deviate towards illustration rather than diagnosis of symptoms. Last but not least, we will see why many of my clients who had already done the SWOT analysis but were unable to keep pace with the dynamics of business environment. The third section describes the word business from various perspectives, and it will help you in understanding the true origin of the word business, its current definition as per English dictionary, and the meaning of the word as per my experience. This is fundamentally important because it will develop an intuition that will help you in understanding the concepts in the following sections. The fourth section clearly illustrates the 8 key dimensions along which you must optimize your business to make it not only more sustainable and resilient to the competitors but also increase your revenue exponentially. 3 of these dimensions are from J. Abraham and the other 5 are based on my own personal background and experience. Section 5 further strengthens your foundation and will help you in understanding the transactional model of business. This is a term which I use while coaching my clients, but you might find it elsewhere too. I firmly believe that this model of business will further enhance your intuition. If you understand the transactional model of business, it will initiate a thought process that will serve you for the whole of your business life. This model is very important to develop a deep understanding of the 8 key dimensions along which you must optimize your business to leave a legacy behind and also make it possible for your brand to make a transition into the realm of extraordinary. In section 6, we will first revisit the 8 dimensions. I will revise them for you so that they are fresh in your memory, and afterwards we will discover the 7 ways in which these 8 dimensions will fuel the growth of your business. By section 6, you will have a rock solid foundation. So at the end of section 6, you will have thoroughly understood the transactional model of business, the 8 key dimensions, and the way in which they can impact your business. In section 7, we will dig deeper and see how these dimensions will transform your business into a cash flow machine by unlocking the value. In other words, the value of your business is unlocked by optimization along the 8 key dimensions. By now, you are all set to develop your own business strategy. In section 8, we will provide you with a blueprint which will help you in formulating dimensional business strategy that will optimize your business along the 8 key focus areas or dimensions. You can revisit this blueprint a few times in brainstorming sessions until you have a concrete set of action points which will define your dimensional business strategy. The business strategy formulated with this process will help you in accelerating the growth, enhance your brand perception, increase your sales, and therefore enhance the impact of your business by resulting in an increased revenue over the next 12 months. So this course is organized into 8 sections to make sure that you get maximum value. I will make sure that you grasp all the concepts as a step-by-step process, one step at a time. This makes learning fun, interesting, and most of all less stressful. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the next lecture.